everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a MIshibox unboxing. I'm pretty sure it's from the month of May. But before I begin, I'd just like to welcome everyone who is new and is watching my video for the first time. Welcome, and thank you to all those who have supported and liked my videos and subscribed. It means the world to me, honestly. Thank you so much. So we'll get right into it. MIshibox is a Korean beauty subscription box, and you know I love my skincare products. I love taking care of my skin, as you saw in my last video. So I thought, what better subscription box than the MIshibox? I did get just a 1 month plan. Like it's not going to be renewing every month, just because I did want to test try it. Like it's kind of like a trial run to see if I do like the box, to see if I do like the products, and if it's worth the price I paid, and if it's worth paying that price every single month. I will leave the price up there somewhere, just because I can't think of how much I paid for it off the top of my head. So this is how it looks like. It's Mishi, and it has a little bunny. I think that's really cute. It's hot pink. Just open it. Okay. So this is how it looks like inside. It has like a little pamphlet in it. MIshibox. Spotlight on, okay, so it's, sorry. So it tells you all the products that you're getting inside, along with the price. That's awesome. This is what I wanted in the last subscription box in the Kira. That's what I wanted, the price. So first thing I see is a face mask. Let's check it on here. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. It's a mask with plant-based ingredients to help improve your skin. I got red bean. Let's see what that does. Firming uses red bean extract to increase elasticity and protect skin from pollutants. Okay, I like this. I got the red bean. So there's either red bean, apricot extract, quinoa, and chestnut. So those are the 4 types of masks that you could have got, and I got the red bean. Next, it says Clear Fit Master Patch. What is this? Okay, so Clear Fit Master Patch is a patch that sucks out all the gross gunk from pimples and zits. It is designed to be thinner than the COSRX Acne Pimple Master Patch and can be worn under makeup. That's awesome. How to use: after cleansing and drying skin, place patch directly on top of the pimple, replacing patch as needed after it fills up with drainage. That is so cool. Okay, well, I'll just show you guys how it looks like. Open it up. That seems really cool. Okay, so it's just like these, probably there, little patches, I guess. Oh, and it's very sanitary. It comes with like a protector sheet. Okay. What's that? Next, Half Moon Eyes. Half Moon Eyes sleeping pack contains an abundance of polyphenols with parched green tea leaves to soothe and moisturize sensitive skin. It also helps improve your skin's natural barrier. Its compact capsule packaging makes this pack travel friendly too. How to use: after cleansing and toning at night, apply adequate amount on face and neck, rinse off with warm water next morning. And it's $4. Oh, haven't even been saying the price. So this was $4. The Clear Fit Patch Master Patch is $4, and the mask was retail price for $3. That. Then I see Ginkgo Natural Makeup Cleansing Tissue. Ooh, okay. So this, in the little pamphlet, it says The ginkgo makeup cleansing tissue contains antioxidants rich in ginkgo extract to cleanse and revitalize skin. Its thick, embossed tissues will effectively remove makeup, dirt, and debris from your skin and gently exfoliate it too. Bonus. How to use. Take one tissue and use gently to wipe off makeup and debris from your skin. Retail price for $6. Love that. Then, the last product. Cyrois Simply Clean. Bring the light into your skin serum. Okay. We are so excited to feature Cyrois to their Bring the Light into Your Skin serum this month. Cyrois means simple and original and prides themselves on using clean, fresh ingredients. This serum contains 99% naturally derived ingredients and 83% organic ingredients. It is lightweight, fast-absorbing, milky fluid that can be used by itself to moisturize skin, great for warmer weather. It contains organic green plum water, safflower oil, panax, ginseng, callus culture extract, and alpha, I'm not even going to try to pronounce that, to moisturize and brighten skin. Its light citrus scent is blended from Roman chamomile. Anyways, it's a serum for your skin. How to use it. After cleansing and toning, spread an adequate amount onto face and neck. Use up to twice daily. So it's a retail price for $24. That is awesome. So I'm just gonna test out to see how it looks like, how it feels like. Cute. Okay. It is very serum-y. Can't see it, it's like a milky consistency, and it's very, very, very nice. Ooh, it's like transforming my hand. That's awesome. Oh, and it smells, it doesn't have a strong smell, which I love too. I don't really like strong smelling scents on facial products or even perfume. Like, I always feel like I'm allergic to them. But that smells very nice, and it's very smooth and soft. Can a scent be smooth? I don't know. But this one is. Anyways, that concludes this video on the MIshibox. Honestly, I give it a 2 thumbs up. I really like the products inside. They're definitely products I will be using and I can see myself using. So yeah, so that's a big thumbs up for me. I like how a lot of their ingredients are natural and organic. I really do love products that are naturally derived and are organic, just because those products are the ones that are going to be helping your skin and not damaging it further. So I really, really love that. So MIshibox, I love you. I will be doing a monthly subscription from now on. This trial run was amazing, so thank you so much for this box, and I will be subscribing. And I suggest any of you who are interested in Korean beauty products, skincare, this box is so fun to receive, and they're products that you actually can use. It's not like, you know what I mean, like, it's not products that you can like push aside and it's like, oh, okay, whatever, put it under the bed, put it in your makeup thing. It's like products that you want to use. It's like, it's fun. So that's it. I hope everyone has a great day today, and I will see you next time. Bye.